Hi Drastic Cuties, today we're going to celebrate the beginning of 2019. So happy New Year's and let's get started. To start this drawing, we're going to first start by drawing the number 0. So I'm just going to use this little cap right here as my circle template just to make it a little bit easier. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace this circle, but I'm just going to leave the top part open for now because there's a little unicorn horn at the top. So I'm just going to come about right here and start and just trace around. It's because I'm drawing kind of big, so it's easier if I have a template. But if you're drawing smaller, definitely just freehand it. So let's see here, am I at the top? About that much. Let's just leave it open. And then from there, I'm just going to come to the center because it is a donut, right? A unicorn donut. I'm going to come in here and draw a smaller circle. So say about right here, I'll just start, I'll freehand this one. Since it's smaller, a little bit easier. There, I have my little circle inside, and from there, since this is right in the center, let's go straight up, and about right here, I'll just draw a curve right in the center. So this is going to be the beginning of our horn for our unicorn horn, and then let's go straight up, say about right here, and I'm just going to bring an angle line down to create our horn. And then come in here for some details. Maybe 3 of these stripes just to give it some dimension. And then we can go ahead and finish off our circle. There. Okay, so now we have our donut in place. Let's come about right here and let's draw the unicorn ears. So about right here, I'll just pop out a little ear, come inside for the details. And same thing on this side. So about right here. So I got my 2 little ears in, and now let's draw the drizzle. That's kind of in the center area. So I'll start, say about right here, and I'm just going to drizzle across, up and down, and then continue right here, and up. So you can pop this out a little bit if you want. Okay, so then from there, let's make this donut very, very happy and give it a face. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve for some simple unicorn eyes. And same thing about right here. Just nice little curve, happy curve. And come up here and we're going to draw 3 lashes right on top. And then a sweet little smile right in the center and cap it off. And then let's see, I'll leave the decorations for a little bit later when I change to a thinner Sharpie. Don't want to mess it up with this thicker Sharpie right here. Okay, so then from there, let's come and draw the 2 first. So we're going to make it really close to the 0. So a little bit easier way is just kind of, you want your numbers to be about the same height as this donut. So let's come across, say about right here. And we're going to start to draw a curve down. So about right here, just give yourself a point, and we're just going to draw a curve down. Get real close to the donut. So I'm starting to draw the outside of my 2, and I'm going to bring it to about eyeball it. So because we still have a little area right here that we need to bring down. So say about right here, I'll stop. And let's finish off this side first. So bring it around. And everything's going to be nice and round. Kind of like a candy cane. So bring it in. We're going to draw the top of our 2. So we're aiming to have this about the same width. And let's see here. Let's keep bringing this down for our 2. So then about right there, let's start to come straight out for our tail of our 2 and bring it round. So ending about the same area, the bottom, and we're aiming for the same width right here as well. So about right there, and then go ahead and connect it. There, we have our 2 in. So then let's come in here and make it a rainbow candy cane. So I'll start at this little corner right here and add a curve. And we're going to go up right here with another curve so we can add a lot of colors. So maybe another one right here. And just keep going. Then we come up here, we're just going to change our angle a little bit. And right here, one more. There. So then now let's draw our 1. So I've decided to make our 1 a star, a wand right here, a magical little wand. So right next to this donut, let's draw a star. So I'm going to come about right here. So right here, I'm going to draw the top of our star. I'm going to round it off. And we're going to draw this point right here. And this side. So take it step by step, build. And so you always end, just a little tip, just imagine this line is coming down, and that's where you would end. And so right here it's continuing down, and you're going to end right here in the center. You're going to come right to the center. And same thing on this side. It's just an easier way to draw a star. And let's bring a straight line down for our wand part. So about right here. Bring it all the way down. Make our wand a little bit thicker. So it's not too thin. We do want it to be a 1. So end about right there. And right here I'm going to connect it. There, we got our little wand in. And let's come in here once again with some curved stripes to give our wand here some dimension. And I'm going to come in here and draw some of the ribbons that fall down to decorate our wand. So say about right here, we'll draw one that kind of curves down. Stick in our ribbon. Maybe another shorter one right here. Try and be thin as possible. And maybe one that curls around, just to give it some movement. And back. Okay, and then come in here, and just to make it really shiny, you can add some little kind of like teardrops at different angles right here, just to make it look like there's a shine to it. Okay, so then now to draw the 9 that's making this 2019, right? So I'm going to come once again right next to our wand, and once again we want it about the same height as the donut. That's our goal. So I'll start right here just to make sure it's close to our wand. So about right here. And our 2, just going to give myself an approximate point. Just make it a little bit easier for me to see. So about right there, I'm going to start to bring it down. And we're aiming once again about the same width as the 2. So I'm going to bring this down right here for our circle part of our 9 to play around with the proportions. It might get a little bit tricky. So about right here, I'm going to take this slowly, bring it down, go up. So about right there's about same width. And I'll start to drag my tail down. So about right here. Once again, ending at the same area. About right there. And connect. There. Okay, so then let's come in the center right here to make it a 9. We're going to draw a circle. Right in the center. So I've decided to also make this just like this. So in order to do that, I'm going to come in this area right here to give it a little tail for our 9. So like a little wrapped around candy cane, and connect it. There. So then once again, come in here. We're going to start to swirl a curve around so you can give it some color. So the whole goal of this 2019 was the unicorn theme, since it was all about unicorns at Draw So Cute. And so hopefully you guys will love this new 2019 and you'll give it a try. So about right here, draw another curve. And so as I promised, I was going to decorate the donut right there. So I'm going to switch to a thinner Sharpie so I can draw all the little sprinkles. So I'm going to come in here to make it magical. I'm just going to draw a bunch of little stars here and there. Some bigger, some smaller at different angles. So there, hope you guys love this unicorn inspired 2019. Want to wish you guys a very, very happy new year and looking forward to another year of cute drawings. Thanks so much for watching, and if you guys loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.